Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the chosen app on both devices so they can talk. This is critical. Once done, enable USB debugging and developer options if you want wired stability, or confirm both phone and PC share the same Wi-Fi network for wireless. Make sure the PC client is allowed to access your camera and microphone. Without permissions, the feed won't appear. Connect the phone with the original USB cable for the most reliable link, and keep the phone unlocked while the app initializes. You now open the app on the phone and pick USB or Wi-Fi. The app shows an IP or device identifier you will use on the PC. Next, launch the PC client and match the same connection mode, then pick a resolution and frame rate that your PC can handle. Higher values need more CPU. If you chose USB, accept the ADB authorization prompt on the phone. If wireless, type or paste the IP address from the phone into the PC client and press connect to start the video stream. You finish by selecting the new virtual webcam and microphone inside your meeting or recording app. Test both video and sound before you go live. If you notice lag or dropped frames, switch to the USB option or lower the resolution and frame rate, and close background apps that hog CPU. Make sure the firewall isn't blocking the PC client, and once in a while, restart the phone app and PC client to refresh permissions. If problems continue, reauthorize camera permissions and try a different USB port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.